I am Andre, your pro day trader, and today I would like to show you a trade in the currency pair EURCAD. This is a 30 minutes time frame, and we can see the reason why I went in. We can see a positive divergence here. The price is lower than this one at this zone, and on the RSI we can see the opposite, that the point, this area, is higher than this. So we have a positive divergence here. And you also see a little wick on the downside, and it's green. This is usually a so-called fake out, a bearish false break. It went down on this area and then went up back again. And we also see here lots of bullish hammers with a wick on the downside, which is also a bullish sign. And on the 2-hour time frame, we have a mother bar here, and we have a lot of inside bars within the range of the mother bar. Then we have a close here that breaks, the price breaks above the mother bar here. That is also bullish. And then we see a pullback and boom, up. And now I will take off the money from the table. I cash in now. I made 1,400 Canadian dollar for a couple of hours. And I will be back soon. Bye for now.